Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. I don't know how to ask you this, but can you please help me reach to 30,000 subscribers? In 24 days, I have my birthday, and I'm laying down the challenge for you guys. A challenge for you. Help me reach 30,000. I'm actually very bored because up until 17,000 subscribers, that was done very, very quickly within months. And then from 17 to 23, it has been really slow. I don't know why. And maybe if you guys do actually take the challenge, help me reach 30K. If you think I deserve to get to 30K, just do that. That would really mean a lot. So the thing is, I've talked about your resistance. The previous video was known as look at this resistance, okay? And that is actually coming in a little bit heavy on Floki at the moment. So Floki has pumped up, and we've seen an incredible move since down it was at 11,507, and we've seen it climbing further 148% move to the upside. There's this one last place we need to break above and go to the upside. That would be really good to see. Of course, this RSI is a little bit overbought at the moment. You've actually climbed up to the places where people like to sell previously, but I'm still going to say one more thing, that there are chances we see this breaking up. I'm just going to leave you with this, right? Let's say Floki comes up to 31917. For me, this is the measuring stick, okay? If you make it up, touch this technical target, that is going to be a very strong statement that Floki is ready for the next push up. If this doesn't happen, I don't see any hope of Floki to go up anytime soon. Doesn't mean in the future you're not going to do that. Now, if you fall down, where exactly can you come to the downside? There is this one more place that can actually come up to, and I'm going to show you. So you can see that this was your resistance, move down, resistance here, and you've actually broke above. So if you ever came down before you make it up to 31917, then it could be down to nearly this price here, and that's going to be 25073. So if you come down like this, take stop loss here, come down, take another stop loss, and maybe consolidate a little bit, and then start to push up again and break above for good and go to the upside. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Office.